on taste buds. I'll be making scallops, and I'm planning to curry these scallops, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I've never done it before, but I'm gonna do it. So I have these pretty much, you know, large to medium sized scallops that I've washed and cleaned, and I'm gonna be pairing it up with some of my beautiful ingredients here to make a quick curry. All right, I have bell peppers, I have garlic, I have a couple mushrooms, portobello, baby bella mushrooms, I have my okras, I have onion, and yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, and of course I have some green seasoning over here that I'll be using as well. And then I have a host of other ingredients. I have some coconut milk that I probably will be using, and I'm be picking out from among these over here to make my dish as crazy as possible. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by cutting up all my ingredients, and then we get into some big cooking. Remember me tell you, actually do anything at all, I want to put some seasoning on my scallops to let them start to marinate. And scallops is something that cooks very quickly, guys, so you really and truly don't want to over season it. You just want to add a couple of basic ingredients and allow that to start marinating. So the first thing I'm going to add is just a little bit of green seasoning, maybe half of a tablespoon of green seasoning. Alright, and the link for the green seasoning will be somewhere there on the page, so you can find that. Alright, and then I'm gonna add some of my lemon pepper. Yeah, let me see if I can zero in. Yes, my lemon pepper seasoning, and I love this seasoning because it's a powdery seasoning that, you know, it has granules in it. It's not just fine powder. Alright, see what it look? And you just want to add maybe about a tablespoon or so. And this lemon pepper have black pepper in it as well. So now to maintain my curry aspect, I'm gonna just add some turmeric to this right now. So the turmeric here, and make sure you get a good quality turmeric, guys. All right, good quality turmeric. Yeah. And that's about it. I'm not really adding any salt to this no, I'm not adding any salt to the scallops at this time, because you want the salt. Remember now, scallops is the type of ingredients that as soon as it hits the pot, it starts to cook, and the longer it cooks, the tougher it's gonna get. So you really don't want to overburden your scallops with you know, whole heap of ingredients too quick. Alright, I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to this, because garlic is good on everything. And then I'm gonna put a little oil. And I'm gonna use olive oil. Just to add to the marinating process, I'm going to use some olive oil, but when I'm cooking, I'm going to use coconut oil to cook. And the reason why I'm using olive oil is because coconut oil congeals when it is in above room temperature, and these scallops are fairly cold, so I know the coconut oil will congeal. Alright, so this is my scallops. I'm just going to put this aside to marinate, and then I will be adding the rest of the stuff. Okay. I might add some. Hold on, don't move as muscle. Let me add a little stuff here, because I have some stuff that I want to add. Let me just add them. I'm gonna add a little paprika. Yeah, paprika. Yeah, I want to add some more stuff. And that's how I cook, guys. My motto, turn your hand, make fashion. It means I make do as I go along. So if you follow my recipes, you will know that St. Hope, you know, just works with the program. All right, I have some tandoori seasoning here that I picked up at Presidente, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that as well. And when you go to the store, search out for these unique ingredients that you can oomph up your dish with. Yeah? And that's maybe about a third of a teaspoon. And I have some red pepper flakes that I'm gonna add as well. Just a little red pepper flakes. To give us that little kick when it's frying. Alright, and yeah, so now I feel a little better. So I'm just gonna mix this in and then start attending to the rest of my chores. All right. I'm gonna chop my garlic now, and my okras, guys, I usually leave my okras whole. I normally don't chop up my okras at all because I don't want that excessive slime, so I usually leave my okras whole. So you just want to chop your garlic, rough chop your garlic. And you can fine chop them here. You're gonna go over it a couple times as well. Alright? Until you get a fine chop of garlic. At this stage I'm gonna put some coconut oil in my pot. Just a little bit. 3 tablespoons. And you want your pot to be, you know, well hot, because you're gonna quickly sear your scallops. That's the whole idea behind these scallops. You're gonna quickly sear your scallops, okay? And here are my scallops that have been marinated. And so where the pot is now, that's where you want your scallops to be. There you go, quickly sear. And I'm not gonna give them too long on each side. I just want them to get toasty brown on each side before I flip them. And scallops are a shellfish, guys. So you want to make sure that your pot is really hot and everything, you know, to cook your scallops. Now I'm turning them. Yeah, the pepper. Hot, yeah. Alright, so let's look at my scallops, guys. At this stage, I want to start adding some ingredients. And this is with fast stage now. You add your onions and your garlic. See that? Then you're gonna add your mushroom. Now your scallops start to firm up now. You know you have to finish up your dish now. Yeah? So you're just gonna add that marinating liquid now. Top it up with a little water to make some juice, some gravy. You don't want your scallops to cook too long. You keep the heat on high so the scallops cook fast and it don't get tough. Now I'm adding my okra. And right there, so now you want to take out your scallops them, right? So you're gonna take them out because you don't want them getting no tougher. You know? Take out all your scallops them. Sure. and you just allow this to cook now. Yeah? Stage you want to add some of the coconut milk. Yeah? So you just put some in some water and then you add in the coconut milk. Make it cook down, you see me? Yeah. That's what you want to achieve. Yes, a nice, rich, creamy sauce. Yeah? That look good. So I'm gonna go in with some garam masala. Because now I'm building my curry. Some onion powder. And this is onion flakes. It's not really powder, it's like a flake. Some more of the tandoori. Some more of the tandoori spice here. And the last thing I'm adding is my trusty Old Bay. And I don't usually do measurements, guys, so bear with me. I believe cooking is a vibe, you know. So you just vibes it and then you work with it, you see. Some folks like when they have the precise ingredients. I can probably do a list of ingredients, but not the measurements, you know. And you just want your sauce to just go and do its thing. Spin it around a little bit. Make your coconut milk cook. I'm gonna taste it to see if it really and truly up to standard. Ooh, beautiful. Nice. And right here is where I'm gonna add back my my scallops. Add them right back in. Fold them in nicely. And as you can see, not a lot of scallops I'm using. The folks not really too like it, you know. Yeah. But you have to do what you have to do. Tony and make fashion, you see. Yeah, so you're spinning back the scallops just quickly. And the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your peppers. Yeah. Stir in your peppers. And this ready to turn off, you know. Next time you see this